my reputation.
Calling them, you know.
Excuse me a minute, I gotta make a call. I gotta get a hold of this chick. Last night I called her on the telephone and I got. Then I dialed up the operator and I got. Oh, that busy signal. I'm going crazy. I'm going out to find that busy signal. And when I find that phone, I'll smash that code. And I'll never have to hear that. I called your girlfriend up to find out where you might be, and I got. Listen, girl, please tell me it's an emergency, and she said. So I went to her house and I knocked on the door. Then I broke it down and saw you lying on the floor just find that code, I'll smash that phone, and I'll never have to hear